Hi guys, so in this lecture we'll be going to talk about the classification of organic compounds. So let me first write down the heading. So organic compounds can be broadly classified into two categories, cyclic or closed chain compounds and acyclic or open chain compounds. Okay. So this can be broadly classified into either acyclic or open chain or cyclic or closed chain. Okay. So acyclic or open chain can further be subclassified into two categories, namely saturated and another one being unsaturated. Okay. So in saturated we have alkanes. So for alkanes the general formula goes as CnH2n plus 2, where n varies from 1 to and so on. And for unsaturated, again these can be classified into two subcategories, namely alkenes and alkynes. Okay. So for alkenes also we have the normal formula is CnH2n, where n varies from 2. And why does it happens? Because for any double bond or triple bond to occur in a carbon compound or in an organic compound, we must have two atoms. So for alkenes, if we see that the double bond should exist between two carbon atoms, so at least n should be 2. Similarly for alkynes or for triple bonded carbon atoms, the n should vary from 2, 3, 2 and so on. And for cyclic or closed chain compound, we can divide it into two subcategories, namely homocyclic and heterocyclic. For homocyclic, again we can actually divide it into two categories, namely alicyclic and aromatic, and same will go for heterocyclic as well. This alicyclic or aromatic, and again the same goes for heterocyclic as well. Divide it into alicyclic and aromatic. Okay. So under alicyclic means under the aromatic homocyclic organic compounds, we can actually again divide the aromatic compounds into two parts, namely benzoid and non-benzoid. We will see all the terminologies which I am using in this lecture into the subsequent lectures. So if you are not able to follow it or not able to get what the terms mean, don't worry. In the next set of in the next set of videos, we will be delving into several examples of aromatic compounds, examples of non-aromatic compounds, alicyclic compounds, homocyclic, heterocyclic. All of this would be covering. Benzoid and non-benzoid. Okay. So with this we come to an end of this lecture. So in the next lecture we'll be seeing examples of starting off with homocyclic compounds, heterocyclic compounds, aromatic benzoid, non-benzoid. We'll see some of the structures or the common names of aromatic compounds, what they are called, and things like that. So till then, good luck and goodbye.